Hey there. Today I'm diving into the nitty-gritty of how to commission a hot water system like a pro. Let's get started. First up, the initial fill. This step is crucial to prepare your system. Inspect all pipe work, fittings and valves. Ensure they're securely installed. Then connect the water supply, open the isolation valve and let the water flow in gradually. Watch those air release points to purge trapped air. And remember, use clean water to avoid contamination. Next, let's talk soundness test. This verifies the integrity of your system. Isolate the system, then pressurize it using a hydraulic pump to the specified test pressure. Keep the pressure steady for about an hour or so and monitor for any pressure drops or leaks. Safety first, always wear your PPE. Now, onto flushing procedures. Flushing removes debris and ensures your system's efficiency. Start with a preliminary flush using clean water. For stubborn residues, a chemical flush might be necessary. Make sure to follow up with a thorough clean water flush until the water runs clear. Let's move to flow rate and pressure readings. Equip yourself with flow meters and pressure gauges. Measure the inlet pressure, flow rate at each outlet, and record the pressure readings. Troubleshoot any inconsistencies. Low flow might mean blockages, while pressure fluctuations could signal pump issues. Balancing a secondary return is next. This ensures even water temperature and flow. Use balancing valves and temperature sensors to regulate flow and achieve consistent return temperatures. Don't forget, keeping detailed commissioning records is essential. Document everything from test results to adjustment. These records serve as a reference for future maintenance. And finally, the handover to the client. Demonstrate the system, provide all necessary documentation, and train them on routine checks and maintenance. Ensure they're satisfied and offer post-handover support. And there you have it. Commissioning a hot water system like a pro. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and check out our podcast, The Copper Connection. Until next time, keep those systems running smoothly.